This is the old Excel format from before 2007. It works, but you are missing out on new features and security protections. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's convert it to the modern format safely. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest XLS cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. Files that use the XLS extension are categorized under the Spreadsheet file. Its binary code is formatted according to Microsoft Excel 97 to 2003 spreadsheet. The XLS file is the legacy spreadsheet format used by Microsoft Excel up to version 2003. It contains tabular data, formulas, and charts in a proprietary binary format, lacking the modern XML structure of XLSX files. Developed by Microsoft, the format is based on the proprietary compound file binary format, CFBF. Its design is hierarchical, but closed source. While modern versions of Excel can read it, its integrity is poor. The binary structure is prone to corruption, and it is usually recommended to convert these files to the more robust DOCX format. This proprietary format is best opened by Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Corporation for the XLS type. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows provides limited clarity for large spreadsheets, so full navigation needs dedicated tools. Open the context menu by right-clicking the XLS file and selecting Open With. Start your test with Microsoft Excel if it shows up. If not, don't hesitate to try several other programs on your list. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific XLS error occurs on your system. First, use Open and Repair. Open Excel, go to File, Open. Select the file, click the drop-down arrow next to Open, and choose Open and Repair. Next, disable Protected View. Go to File, Options, Trust Center, Protected View, and uncheck all boxes to see if Protected View is causing the blockage. Finally, convert to XLSX. Once the file is open, immediately use File, Save As, and save it as the modern XLSX format to ensure permanent compatibility. If your operating system cannot determine the XLS file type, the only reliable approach is a dedicated format-agnostic utility. It's worth a shot. I strongly recommend FileMagick for its sheer power. It has the rare capacity to bypass corruption in XLS files and reveal the data instantly. That's a feature worth having. FileMagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session. Check out the link in the description for FileMagick.